Hi, I'm Lisa from sewnlife.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little purse which is made out of little pieces of scrap fabric. So all you need to make this purse is some scrap fabrics. You only need very small pieces and some interlining, and that only needs to be 10 centimetres by 30 centimetres to fit that template. So for my template I'm going to use a piece of A4 paper cut in half lengthways, and then I'm just going to round off the corners. Round this corner off using a mug, and then to make sure that it's completely symmetrical, fold that in half. And there's the template. I'm going to use this template and cut this piece out of interfacing and also out of a plain fabric. So I've got the two pieces now. This is going to be the inside piece, and this interfacing is going to be filled up with these scraps in a patchwork way along the length of here, so that it fills it up. So go along and cut out strips that are about the same length as that. It doesn't matter whether they are straight, because it will just add to it. So I am just going to start cutting them out. So this is the first piece. I'm just going to sew this on at the very edge, and this is the curved edge, so just literally a couple of millimetres away from that edge. So next piece is going to be sewn on, so right sides together and literally sew them down. Make sure they're both flat, sew them down all the way to the end. And then keep going all the way to the end. Make sure that the last piece of fabric is the same length as the interlining, and then just do the very last row, securing it. Trim all the edges and make sure that they are the same as the shape of the interfacing, and cut all the ends off. Now take this over to the iron and give it a good iron before we go to the next stage. So put the right sides together and sew all around the edges, leaving a space of about 7 or 8 centimetres unsewn, and that's where it'll be turned inside out. On the corners, just very carefully cut out little notches on the corner, so that the when the corner is turned inside out, the seams will lay flat. So that should be sufficient for it to lie flat. Also cut the corners off, so again just close to the stitching, not too close. Cut off the corners. So use the opening that has been left and turn inside out. Press the seams down flat. Okay, so now we're going to top stitch all the way around the edges and turn that little bit underneath. So top stitch about 1 to 2 millimetres away from that edge. So both sides are done. Now you're going to fold this side up and clip it in place. Same with the other side. Okay, and then just simply sew down that side, and then this is going to flap over, and we're going to put a plastic popper on there. So now we have got the purse and the flap. What we're going to do is we're going to put a popper in here to hold it. So find the middle, fold it in half, find the middle, about 2 centimetres up, poke a hole with this owl, it's called an owl, and put the first half of the popper through. And then place the piece on top and use this tool and just squash. There we go, that's the first half. So to do the lower popper, close the flap, find the point at which, so underneath here, where you want to make the hole, push through to make the hole, and then this bit goes on the inside, so you have to find a hole. Oh, there we go. And then same process, this bit goes on the top, and you're going to press them, so it's a little bit trickier to get in there. Make sure it's lined up and press. There we go. Popper complete. It's a really cute little purse just made out of pieces of scrap. Contrast lining. I can put anything in it. So I really hope that you enjoyed making that purse, and thank you for spending your time with me. I've got lots of other videos for you to watch with lots of other really cute little projects on, so head on over to the next video and I will see you there. Have a nice day.